Hi friends, now I am going to teach you business mathematics. Now let's start. Okay, we will start from chapter 1, ratio and proportion, indices and logarithm. First we will complete our theory portion. Our theory portion first is ratio. A ratio is a comparison of the sizes of two or more quantities of the same kinds by division. Now we will read remarks of this ratio. Both terms of a ratio can be multiplied or divided by the same non-zero numbers. Usually a ratio is expressed in lowest terms or simplest form. Okay. The order of the terms in a ratio is important. And next, ratio exists only between quantities of the same kind. Quantities to be compared by divisions must be in the same units. To compare two ratios, convert them into equivalent fractions. If a quantity increases or decreases in the ratio A ratio B, then new quantity equal B of the original quantity by A. The fraction by which the original quantity is multiplied to get a new quantity is called the fraction multiply ratio. Now we will start another theory point, inverse ratio. First point is one ratio is the inverse of another of their product is 1. A ratio B is inverse B ratio A. And second point is compound ratio, ratio 1 A ratio B, ratio 2 C ratio D, ratio 3 E ratio F. And the compound ratio is A ratio C ratio E and B ratio D ratio F. You can see there I had written. And third one is duplicate ratio, A square ratio B square, triplicate ratio A cube ratio B cube, subduplicate ratio under root A ratio under root B, and sixth one subtriplicate ratio cube root A ratio cube root B. 7. Commensurable ratio A by B equal to 5 by 3 are integers. Manis is also in integers. Now we will read 8 point. Incommensurable ratio A by B under root 3 by under root 2 is non-integers. And ninth one, continued ratio quantities A ratio B, C ratio D and so on. Okay, our theory portion is completed. Now we will go through exercises. Exercises 1A. Question number 1. The inverse ratio of 11 ratio 15 is 15 ratio 11 because inverse means ulta 15 ratio 11. And second was question, the ratio of two quantities is 3 ratio 4 if a antecedent is 15 and constant is. We will solve this question. Okay, we will solve question number 2. The two quantities is, what is our two quantities? 3 ratio 4. We will write the 3 ratio 4. Okay, then 3 ratio 4 equal to, what we have to take out? Antecedent is 15. Antecedent 15 हमको लाना है, तो इस 3 से किस नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि एंसीडेंट 15 आ जाए? इसको एंसीडेंट कहते हैं, एंटीसीडेंट. 4 is called consequent. We will multiply 5 both side because we will multiply when 5 into 3 we will get 15 and 5 into 4 20. Okay, then the consequent is 20. We will get answer D 20. Okay, did you understand this question? The next 3, the ratio of the quantities is 5 ratio 7 and the consequent of this, its inverse ratio is 5. The antecedent is. We will solve this question. इनवर्स रेशियो इक्वल टू 7:5, क्योंकि इसका 5:7 का इन्वर्स बोला है, 5:7 का इन्वर्स हो जाएगा 7:5। एंसिडेंट निकालने बोल रहा है तो एंसिडेंट x मानेंगे। Then we will solve like that, 7/5 equal to x/5. We will do cross multiplication, 7 5 is 35 equal to 5x. We will cut from 6 5 7 5 is 35, then we will get x 7 and the incident is 7. You can see how I solve this question. You can also solve like that. This is easy process of this question. The fourth question is the ratio component of 2:3, 9:4, 5:6 and 8:10 is. Then we will solve 4 number. हम इसको फर्स्ट वाले को फर्स्ट के साथ करेंगे। मैंने पढ़ा था ना कंपाउंड रेशियो में। देन 2 × 9 × 5 × 8 रेशियो 3 × 4 × 6 × 10। अब इसको हम काटेंगे। 2 5 से 10, 5 से 5 कैंसिल, 4 2 जा 8, 2 3 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9, 3 से 3 cancel. Then we will get answer 1:1. We will see in option, yeah, we will match by A. Then answer is A, 1:1. And 5 number, the duplicate ratio of 3:4. डुप्लीकेट में मैंने पढ़ा था स्क्वायर हो जाएगा इसका। 5 नंबर 3 स्क्वायर रेशियो 4 स्क्वायर 3 3 9 ratio 4 4 16. We will see option, yeah, C is our answer. Now we will do our sixth question. The sub duplicate ratio of 25:36. सब डुप्लीकेट इसमें अंडर रूट आ जाएगा। Then we will solve 6 number, under root 25 ratio under root 36. Now we will get 5 5 is 25, 6 is the 36, and the answer is 5:6. Now we will discuss 7 number, the triplicate ratio of 2:3. ट्रिप्लीकेट में इसका क्यूब हो जाएगा। देन 7 नंबर 2 होल क्यूब रेशियो 3 होल क्यूब, 2 का क्यूब 8 रेशियो 3 का क्यूब 27. We will get 8:27. Now 8 number, the सब ट्रिप्लीकेट रेशियो। सब ट्रिप्लीकेट रेशियो में इसका क्यूब रूट हो जाएगा। देन क्यूब रूट ऑफ ए रेशियो क्यूब रूट ऑफ 27. We will get 2:3. We will get answer like C. Okay, we will do 9 question. The ratio compounded of 4:9 and the duplicate ratio 3:4. Okay, we will solve 4:9, डुप्लीकेट बोल रहा है 3:4 रेशियो का, तो हम इसको करेंगे 3 स्क्वायर रेशियो 4 स्क्वायर. Then we will get 4:9, 3 3 9 ratio 16. We will do compound ratio 4 × 9 ratio 9 × 16. 9 9 cancel, 4 4 is 16. Then we will get answer 1:4. Yeah, 9 A 1:4. We will do another question. Question number 10. What is the question? The ratio compounded of 4:9, the duplicate ratio of 3:4, the triplicate ratio of 2:3 and 9:7. ट्रिप्लीकेट रेशियो बोला है 2:3 का और 9:7 का, और डुप्लीकेट बोला है 3:4 का, और एक कंपाउंड रेशियो दिया हुआ है। तो हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे। duplicate ratio 4:5. Duplicate means square. 4 square ratio 5 square. Triplicate means cube. 1 का cube ratio 3 का cube. And sub-duplicate ratio of sub-duplicate ratio means under root 81 ratio under root 2, 5, 6. And sub-duplicate ratio of 125 and 5, 1, 2. इसका मतलब and sub-duplicate ratio मतलब under root cube. हो जाए 16 रेशियो 5/25 1 का 1 27 9 रेशियो 16 5 रेशियो 8. Okay, then we will do like compound in ratio. We will multiply first 16 into 1 into 9 into 5, then 25 into 27 into 16 into 8. We will divide after this 5 5 is 25, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 3 3 is 9. Then after we will get 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 2 8 is 16. Therefore 1 ratio 1 to 0. We will get the answer, and the option is 1 ratio 1 to 120 है. सी जो है वो रॉन्ग आंसर है, डी होगा. नॉन ऑफ दिस आंसर होगा. तो गाइस हमने जो ये 10 नंबर बनाया है वो 10 नंबर नहीं, वो रॉन्ग हो गया. वो 11 नंबर है. ये 11 नंबर है. अब हम डिस्कस करने जाएंगे ये 11 नंबर. अब मैं डिस्कस करने जाऊंगी 10 नंबर. द रेशियो कंपाउंडेड ऑफ 4:9, द डुप्लीकेट रेशियो 3:4, द डुप्लीकेट रेशियो ऑफ 2:3 एंड 9:7. इसको सॉल्व करूंगी. ये कंपाउंड रेशियो रहेगा. देन आफ्टर डुप्लीकेट ऑफ 3 स्क्वायर रेशियो 4 स्क्वायर and duplicate of 2 cube ratio 3 cube. Then after 9 and 7. So 4:9, 9:16, 8:27, 9:7. ये जैसे है वैसे ही सेम लिखा जाएगा. अब हम कंपाउंड रेशियो इस टाइप से सॉल्व करेंगे. 4:9 रेशियो 8 रेशियो इंटू 9 इंटू 16 इंटू 27 इंटू 7. Then we will divide 9 8 2 is 16, 9 3 is 27, 2 is 4. Then we will get 2:21, and we will see in option 2:21. Yeah, we will get answer is C. Now we will solve question number 12. We already solved 11, and now we will solve question number 12. And now 12 is if A ratio B equal 3:4, the value of 2A plus 3B ratio 3A plus 4B. Now we will solve this question. A की वैल्यू हमको पता है, B की वैल्यू पता है, तो इस क्वेश्चन में A और B की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. Now we will write question 2A plus 3B ratio 3A plus 4B. Okay, 2 इंटू ए की वैल्यू कितनी है 3 प्लस 3, बी की वैल्यू कितनी है 4, ए की वैल्यू कितनी है 3, बी की वैल्यू कितनी है 4. ओके, देन 3 3 6 प्लस 4 3 12, रेशियो 3 3 9 प्लस 4 3 16. ओके, वी विल ऐड 18, रेशियो 25. ओके, then another 13 number. Now question is, two numbers are in the ratio 2:3. If b is subtracted from each, they are in ratio 3:5. The numbers are, इसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे. Let's solve 13 number. Okay, let two number equal x. First is 2x and second is 3x. Now we will 4 have to be subtract, 4 be subtracted from each. तो 4 हम लोग subtract करेंगे. Then we will do cross multiplication. Then after we will subtract 10x minus 9x इक्वल टू माइनस से प्लस इधर जाएगा, प्लस हो जाएगा माइनस से प्लस 2. देयरफॉर x इक्वल टू 8. अब हम इस पे वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. फर्स्ट नंबर 2x, देयरफॉर 2 इंटू x की वैल्यू कितनी है 8. एंड सेकेंड नंबर then answer is 24. You can see there 16:24. अब 12 का ऑप्शन भी था डी. अगर आपको ये सॉल्व किए हुए सही लगे इसे लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन में डाउट है या फिर कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछना है तो कमेंट करें और हमारे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें. और इसका पार्ट 2 हमने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अपलोड कर दिया है.